In the vast landscape of American retail, two titans stand apart, each having fundamentally reshaped how we shop. One, a digital behemoth that brings the world to our doorstep with a single click. The other, a brick-and-mortar powerhouse that has become synonymous with building, fixing, and creating. This is the story of Home Depot versus Amazon. They are two retail giants built on two profoundly different business models. Amazon, the master of e-commerce, operates a centralized network of massive fulfillment centers, leveraging unparalleled logistical prowess to deliver an endless aisle of products. Home Depot, the undisputed king of home improvement, has built its empire on a decentralized network of over 2,000 physical stores, strategically placed to serve as local hubs for both do-it-yourself enthusiasts and professional contractors. While Amazon sells everything from books to bananas, it has made aggressive inroads into the lucrative home improvement sector, a market valued at over $500 billion annually. It offers convenience, competitive pricing, and a vast selection of tools, fixtures, and gadgets. But can its model truly compete in a world defined by urgent needs, specialized knowledge, and the sheer physicality of large-scale projects? When a pipe bursts or a critical tool fails, can a 2-day shipping promise ever beat a 10-minute drive? This brings us to the core question. When it comes to the home improvement market, who really wins? To answer this, we need to go deeper than just comparing online clicks to in-store foot traffic. In this definitive breakdown, we will dissect the battle between Home Depot and Amazon, analyzing 4 critical pillars of their operations. We'll explore their core business strategies, examining the fundamental differences between a store-centric and a warehouse-centric approach. We will untangle their complex supply chains to understand who is better equipped to handle everything from a box of screws to a pallet of drywall. We'll profile their distinct customer bases, the weekend warrior versus the seasoned professional, to see how their needs shape the retail experience. And finally, we will scrutinize their revenue streams and profitability to reveal the financial health and long-term viability of each model within this specific market. The outcome of this clash holds crucial lessons, not just for the companies themselves, but for anyone invested in the future of retail. For investors, understanding who holds the competitive edge is key to making informed decisions in a volatile market. And for small business owners and entrepreneurs, the strategies employed by these giants offer a masterclass in aligning your business model with the specific demands of your target customer. So, who truly dominates the American home? And what can we learn from their battle for supremacy? Let's find out. At the heart of the home improvement landscape stands a titan of brick-and-mortar retail, the Home Depot. As the largest home improvement retailer in the world, it has become synonymous with DIY projects and professional construction. With over 2,300 stores across North America, its iconic orange-aproned associates serve a diverse clientele, from first-time homeowners tackling a weekend paint job to seasoned contractors managing large-scale construction sites. This dual focus is the cornerstone of its success. While do-it-yourself customers represent the majority of transactions, the smaller but highly valuable pro customer segment, the plumbers, electricians, and builders, drives nearly half of Home Depot's total revenue. This powerful customer base relies on the company not just for materials, but for project-level quantities, specialized services, and immediate availability. In the other corner, we have the undisputed champion of e-commerce, Amazon. It operates on a completely different paradigm. As the world's largest online marketplace, Amazon's ambition is to be the everything store, and home improvement is just one aisle in its vast digital supercenter. Its power doesn't come from physical storefronts, but from a sprawling, technologically advanced network of hundreds of fulfillment and sortation centers worldwide. This infrastructure is built to serve its massive base of over 200 million Prime members, who are conditioned for fast, often free, delivery and an almost infinite selection. Amazon's primary metric for success is gross merchandise volume, or GMV, the total value of everything sold on its platform. Its goal is to capture the maximum share of a consumer's wallet, whether they're buying a book, groceries, or a new power drill. While both companies sell home improvement products, their fundamental approaches to the market, their core customers, and their definitions of success are worlds apart. Home Depot is a specialist, deeply entrenched in the project-based needs of its customers, leveraging its physical stores as logistical hubs. Amazon is a generalist, a master of digital convenience and parcel delivery, aiming to win on selection and speed for individual items. This strategic divergence creates a fascinating battleground where physical expertise clashes with digital dominance. To understand why Amazon hasn't conquered this space, we must first break down the fundamental differences in their business models. At its core, Home Depot's strategy is built around its massive network of over 2,300 physical stores, which operate as highly efficient, localized fulfillment hubs. These aren't just retail locations. They are strategic assets embedded within nearly every major community, placing inventory just miles from the customer's home or job site. This proximity is the cornerstone of their entire operation, a deliberate choice that directly counters the centralized, online-first approach of their biggest competitor. Each store masterfully serves multiple functions simultaneously. First, it's a showroom. For home improvement, the ability to see, touch, and even test a product is critical. Customers want to feel the weight of a drill, see the exact shade of a paint color, or compare the finishes on a faucet. This tactile experience builds purchasing confidence for high-consideration items in a way that a digital storefront simply cannot replicate. Second, each store is a fully stocked warehouse. The aisles are packed with thousands of SKUs, from tiny screws to large appliances, all available for immediate purchase. This on-hand inventory is a powerful defense against the delays inherent in e-commerce shipping. And third, it's a dynamic pickup location. This is where Home Depot's One Home Depot strategy shines, seamlessly blending their digital and physical channels. Customers can buy online and pick up in-store, often within a couple of hours. This BOPIS model, along with curbside and locker pickup options, offers the convenience of online shopping combined with the immediacy of brick and mortar. Over half of Home Depot's online orders are fulfilled directly through their stores, proving how vital this hybrid model is. Amazon, in stark contrast, focuses on the pure convenience of online ordering, powered by a network of massive centralized fulfillment centers. Their model is optimized for efficiency at scale, using sophisticated robotics and logistics to sort and ship millions of small parcels directly to customers' doorsteps. The goal is to remove the store from the equation entirely, relying on the speed and reach of their legendary last-mile delivery network. But in the world of home improvement, the nature of the demand itself creates a critical vulnerability for Amazon's model. Projects are often unpredictable. A plumber might discover a cracked fitting mid-repair, or a weekend DIYer might run out of drywall screws on a Saturday afternoon. In these moments, waiting even one day for a delivery is not an option. The project grinds to a halt, costing professionals money and frustrating homeowners. This urgent, often unforeseen need for products gives Home Depot a decisive structural advantage. Their stores are the solution. That contractor can be at a store and back on the job site with the right part in under an hour. This immediacy of need is the moat that Amazon has struggled to cross. While Amazon wins on planned purchases of smaller, easily shipped items, Home Depot wins the unplanned, project-stopping emergency. They own the moment of crisis, and in doing so, they own the loyalty of the customer who needs to get the job done. Amazon mainly serves DIY homeowners and casual shoppers. It's ideal for tools, accessories, and small replacement items. Home Depot dominates professional contractors, builders, and tradespeople. These customers buy in bulk, shop frequently, and spend far more per year, making them extremely valuable. Amazon leads in fast shipping and delivery speed, but home improvement products are often heavy, oversized, and difficult to ship. Lumber, appliances, drywall, and concrete cost more to deliver than small packages. Home Depot's local store network reduces shipping costs and speeds up large order fulfillment. Amazon's retail margins are thin, with profits driven mainly by cloud computing. Home Depot earns strong margins directly from retail, especially from professional customers. Contractors provide recurring revenue, long-term loyalty, and predictable sales, key drivers of profitability. Amazon leads in AI, automation, and data analytics. Home Depot invests heavily in inventory technology, mobile apps, and contractor tools. Instead of replacing physical stores, Home Depot uses technology to strengthen them, creating a powerful hybrid retail model. So who wins the home improvement market? Amazon wins for convenience and small purchases. Home Depot wins for large projects, professionals, and serious renovations. In this market, owning the job site matters more than owning the screen. That's why Home Depot remains the leader in home improvement. The biggest lesson for business owners and entrepreneurs: understand your core customer better than anyone else. Home Depot wins by building deep relationships with professionals, not by competing on price alone. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Team Home Depot or Team Amazon?